नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो. आज आपण कविता शिकणार आहोत. कवितेचं नाव आहे वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर. द नेम ऑफ द पोएट ऑर पोएटेस इज अननोन. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की कवयित्री कोण आहेत. फर्स्ट आय एम रीडिंग इट लाऊडली. यू लिसन केअरफुली अँड लुक ॲट युअर बुक. वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर डॅडी, said a little child so small, I am falling in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see, so walk a little slower daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be, then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So, in this poem, there are 4 stanzas. Look at the first stanza. The meaning of the first stanza is: here, the little child requests its father to walk a little slower. The child adds that it is following in its father's footsteps. The child does not want to fall. Hence, the request to slow down. Then, the meaning of the second stanza is: the little child tells its dad that sometimes his steps are very fast and at some other times they are hard to see. According to child, it is important because the father is leading him. So look at the third stanza. The little child adds that when it is grown up, it wants to be exactly like its father, and in future when the child will have a little child, that child will follow to the footsteps of its father. And look at the last stanza, meaning the child further adds that it wants to lead its future child just as the way its father leads it now. So it is important to make sure that it leads its future child in the true way. For that, the child must now understand its father's actions better. Hence, the child requests its father again to go a little slower. I will give you the new words given in the poem. Then we will go to learn English workshop tomorrow. First, read the poem again and again and try to understand what I said. Okay.